foreign exchange market is a wild animal, tamed by a chosen few. I'm Alex Robinson, and today I'm going to be taking you through one of our many strategies here at the Platinum Trading Academy that can help you take control of the markets. If you've ever seen our Platinum trading system, you'll already be well aware of our buy and sell zones that identify key support and resistance levels for each and every day. What you may not know though is how to utilise these zones effectively in order to extract a consistent number of pips from the market each and every month. Our end of day strategy achieves just that, giving you a clear and concise course of action for trading the markets during a certain time period. Every trading day when the London session closes and the crossover to the New York session begins, there is often a vast amount of market volatility. This is the precise time that you want to steer absolutely clear of the markets. However, once this volatility dies down, the market often looks to make a retracement and rebalance itself within various currency pairs. Using our system as a guide, we can pinpoint the most likely opportunities to move in our favour and trade these on a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio at around 20 pips apiece. So far, this strategy has performed successfully over the past 12 years for our traders, and we can more than happily go through any of the major currency pairs with you live so you can see the strategy in action. This is just one of the many strategies that we use here at the Platinum Trading Academy, and if you'd like to see more of our trading strategies, then simply take a look at the trading strategies section of our website.